Does your Ninja Luxe Premier stop brewing partway through? Maybe it starts, hums for a few seconds, then shuts off or stalls. This issue is often tied to water flow, overheating protection, or clogging in the system. Let's run through the fastest ways to get your brew cycle working start to finish. Step 1. Check the water reservoir. Make sure the tank is filled above the minimum line and seated correctly. If it's not aligned, the machine may cut power mid-brew as a safety feature. Step 2. Make sure the portafilter is properly locked in. If the portafilter isn't engaged all the way, the pressure buildup can cause the system to shut off. Twist it until it's tight and fully locked. Step 3. Run a water-only cycle. Try brewing with no coffee grounds, just water. This helps rule out clogs and clears the internal lines. If the water flows fine, the issue is likely with grind size or tamping pressure. Step 4. Avoid over-tamping or using fine grounds. Too much resistance from tightly packed or too fine grounds can trigger auto shutoff. Try a medium grind and a gentle tamp to see if the brew completes. Step 5. Descale if it hasn't been done recently. Mineral buildup can restrict water flow and overheat internal components. If you haven't descaled in a while, now's a good time. Link to the guide is in the video description. Still cutting off mid-brew? There could be a sensor or pump issue. Support info and the owner's manual are both linked in the description if you need help. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.